Good morning, everybody. I got a quick video for you here today. I got my Allis Chalmers 712 Hydro sitting here, and if you have some creep in your handle to where it looks like this, when you park it, let me get a better view. Don't know why I thought that would work. If you have to put it like this and not in the neutral slot, this goes for any Simplicity or Allis Chalmers with the hydraulic drive, this is probably the video for you. So I'm going to turn it on real quick and show you what the tires are doing. I do have it jacked up off the ground so you can see the tires spinning without it trying to run away from me. So let's start it real quick. And here you can see, with the handle in neutral, the tires are moving. So if you're anything like me or my father, that annoys the absolute crap out of you. So this is how we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna set this tripod up right here so I can show you what I'm doing. So what you're gonna do is find the linkage here. So this is your shaft from your lever, and then it goes to this spring here, and then this is the actual mechanism that moves to give you the forward and reverse. So you can see here how this is on a spring, and I'm assuming from stock this was a lot tighter of a tolerance, but if we try and get it in neutral as best we can, you see that slop we have here. So that's just from normal wear and tear on this bushing. You could get a micrometer, measure that, and try and get something new that fits that a lot better, but we're not gonna worry about that today. So what we're gonna want to do is focus on this bolt right here. Let me get the sun off of it. This bolt that connects this arm to this linkage here is actually slotted. You can see that gap right there. So what you're gonna wanna do is turn the tractor on, leave it in the neutral position. I recommend having it as far forward in the neutral slot as you can, and then loosen this bolt up and just lift this up right here until it's in neutral, and then start tightening this nut. And then eventually you're gonna have to get a wrench or something. You can jam it up on this and tighten this down. And as long as the tires aren't moving when you tighten this nut down, there will be no more creep. Eventually this fix is going to run out. As you see there, you'll run out of your slot there, and that's when you would need to get the new bushing on there to take up the slop here. But this will work for now. This thing is 50 to 53 years old. I don't know the exact year of this, but I think both of my Allis Chalmers are somewhere in the early 70s. So let me get this tripod set up the best I can, and I'll try and videotape it while I'm actually adjusting it. I hope you guys can see this. So there you can see, nice and quick and easy. You can see there's quite a bit more of a slot here on this. Right there, you see how we went as far forward as we could almost, and we still have a little bit back here. But as you can see, after I adjust it, there's no more creep on the tires. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the 716 as well. This one's not nearly as bad, but that's how you guys fix that. If you guys have any more questions or you know, video ideas for something to fix that you're not sure on, just leave it in the comments, and see you on the next video.